Welcome to Chef Bimal kitchen. Today I am going to prepare very yummy recipe which is butter chicken, and it is one of the most popular dishes in all restaurants in India, and this recipe is very simple to make. I hope you'll enjoy this recipe. So for this recipe I have taken 400 gram of chicken breast cube, and I am going to add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and I am going to mix it well. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, and I am going to mix it well. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of black salt, half cup of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves, and I am going to whisk it until mixed well. Now I am going to add chicken into it, and I am going to mix it again. Now I am going to brush mustard oil on pan, and I am going to sear the chicken. So now I am going to turn it once it gets golden brown in color. So now you can see it has become brown. Now chicken is cooked almost. Now I am going to transfer it into a plate. Now I have taken 3 pieces of garlic, and I am going to slice it roughly. Now I have taken 5 gram of ginger, and I am going to cut it roughly. Now I have taken 1 pieces onion, and I am going to roughly dice it, and I have taken 3 pieces of tomato, and I am going to cut it roughly. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, 5 pieces of green cardamom, 4 pieces of cloves, 4 pieces of mace, 4 pieces of cinnamon sticks, 3 pieces of half bay leaf, 10 gram of sliced garlic, 5 gram of sliced ginger, and I am going to saute it well. Now I am going to add 150 gram of diced red onion, 300 gram of diced tomato, 5 gram of coriander leaves, 1 Kashmiri chili, 150 gram of cashew nut, and I am going to stir it well. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar, and I am going to mix it again. Now I am going to take out all the whole spices. Now I am going to transfer it into blenders, and I am going to make it fine paste, and I am going to strain this mixture. So you can see Now I am going to dry roast 1 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves. Now I have taken 50 gram of butter and going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and I am going to mix it on slow flame, otherwise spices is going to burn. Now I am going to add this mixture into it and I am going to stir it continuously. Now I am going to add 2 teaspoons of cream, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves, and I am going to mix it well. And finally I am going to mix grilled chicken into it and I am going to stir it well, and I am going to cook for 10 minutes. So now butter chicken is almost ready. Now I am going to transfer it into serving bowl, and finally I am going to garnish it with cream, 4 pieces of cubed butter and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves. So you can see butter chicken is ready and it is really simple to make. I hope you enjoy this recipe. So if you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you for watching.